Thought I'd show you my setup for sharpening bandsaws for our bandsaw mill. The center of it is, or doing it on our radial arm saw, and the center of it is this grinding stone that I shaped with this diamond tip thing to the profile of the bandsaw teeth. And because of the configuration of the radial arm saw, you have to flip the bandsaws inside out. So let me do that real quick. So with it inside out, you just set it in here in this groove that I cut in a piece of wood, and the wood is bolted onto the table of the radial arm saw. And then I've also got this little contraption here to be able to index or advance it to the exact point where the grinding stone can sharpen. So let me attach that. So once I got that, then I should be able to pull it as far that way as it'll go. And then, as you can see, pretty close. There's still a little gap. I need to work a little more on the grinding stone to get the bottom right side of the gullet. But I'll go ahead and show you the sharpening now. So I think that's the right angle to see everything. And just fire up the radial arm saw. That's how it works. As you can see, it doesn't get the whole profile yet. I still need to work on the stone some, but we've used a few of these after sharpening them, and they cut great. Just glide right through like the bandsaws did before, when they came from Timberwolf.